Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We're on the Ethereum chart and I just want to show you the daily chart again. This is the chart that shows that Ethereum is likely in a larger degree fifth wave to the upside after a wave 4 bottomed in August this year. And the idea is still that after the price bottomed there in the larger support region in a wave 4 like Bitcoin, that we are on our way in a larger degree fifth wave to the upside into the blue target area next. Okay, upside extensions are always possible, but we're talking about the area between 5,072 and round about $7,000 maybe over the coming months or so. And yeah, that would be the idea, that we are going higher, and that hasn't changed at all. Pullbacks have been shallow since that August low, and I've mentioned repeatedly that Ethereum is still a bit weaker than Bitcoin. I think it's sort of catching up a little bit maybe, but evidence for that is still very thin. So until now, there was actually no reason to really be heavily invested in Ethereum compared to Bitcoin when we consider the ETH BTC chart and the performance of Ethereum and Bitcoin. If we compared them, then Bitcoin has clearly outperformed Ethereum, at least so far in this cycle. That doesn't mean, though, that I'm bearish on Ethereum or I have been bearish. I've simply highlighted that Bitcoin is stronger, but also for Ethereum, we've been watching for higher prices into all-time high territory, and we're getting closer. We're now back above $4,000, and there are two wave counts, two pathways I see. The first one is the white count, where we shouldn't see any deep pullback any longer and should move quite directly into that upper target area. In this case, Circle Wave B bottomed recently in November, and we're now in Circle Wave C to the upside, which could actually target this blue zone that I already mentioned. In the yellow scenario, if we break below support on our 1 hour time frame, which we are going to take a look at in a minute, then the price could dip into that lower support region here between 2,407 and 3,167 US dollars. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here the price is actually working on that fifth wave to the upside. You might recall from previous videos that we talked about this micro support area, which is highlighted in orange on the chart. It's located between 3,749 and $3,878. This is micro support and is the area that supported an internal fourth wave pullback, and we're now moving up in wave 5. With the 5-wave move up, we have the next piece of evidence that tells us that Ethereum is planning to go up higher more directly. Of course, not entirely without pullbacks. Pullbacks are part of the game, but Ethereum is moving up in a 5-wave move again after the price bottomed in this support area. And so these support zones, they can be reasonable locations to look for entries if you're looking for a pullback trade. They are not guarantees, that the price will turn around there, but they are typically reasonable areas where a reversal can happen. And that reversal happened there as well. And with a 5-wave move up now, we have fairly clear probabilities, which means as soon as we have evidence of a local top, I can add the next support region to the chart. It's a 5-wave move up now from the recent low, which formed on Monday the 9th. But I would prefer this fifth wave to go up a little bit higher, possibly to 4,100 or 4,280. Once we have, as I said, evidence for a top, we can add the next support area to the chart. But for now, I see this here as a possible wave 5 to the upside, which is still unfolding. And another test of the lower support region has certainly become less likely. I cannot fully rule it out because we haven't broken out to the upside yet, but it looks like a 5-wave move up is in the making. And what else is there to say? Well, the only other thing that I mentioned in previous updates was that to really have an indication or confirmation that a top is in, that here the price from the top on Thursday, we would need a break below 3,749. Well, the market has not been able to give us that signal, so the uptrend is still alive. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. If you are interested in the membership, you can check out our channel page. It explains in this short video what the membership is about. For example, you get access to our member live streams. Today there was one at 5 p.m. UTC. You'll get access to the recording and the previous ones, and you get access to member only updates. They are done regularly. Yesterday we covered WorldCoin, actually today, with Dog with Hat, Phantom, one of the winners today, for example. And many more. And as a gold member, you can even access our Discord server with a lot of additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.